In this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website. So this is nice and easy. We just need to head over to the GoDaddy website, and on the top right hand side of the screen, make sure you're logged in to your account, and then we need to select My Products. From here, if you scroll down, you should see a list of all of your domain names, and what you need to do is find the domain that you want to redirect. So for this example, I'm going to be redirecting widereachdigital.com, and then click on Manage next to the domain name. From the right hand side, select Forward Domain. And now if you want to redirect this domain to a website that you already own in your GoDaddy account, then you can do that just by selecting the new domain name from this drop-down list. If the website that we want to redirect to is a completely different site, then what you can do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and where it says forward to any site, you just need to enter in the URL of the website. So let's say, for example, we wanted to redirect our domain name to YouTube, then we can do that just by copying the YouTube URL, pasting it into this section here, and pressing connect. And as you can see, this may take a few minutes to update, so just go ahead and press connect domain. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.